Hi everyone, welcome back to Software Tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add numbers box like this in your WordPress blog or page using Divi Builder. I have added this using Divi add-on plugin. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to post and click on all posts. Select a post in which you want to add these number boxes and then click on edit with Divi. Now go to place where you want to add number box. I want to add here. Just click on this plus button, add a regular section and then select a single row. Now here's the modules. These modules with the name of task come with the plugin that we have added now. Here you can see task number module. Select this module. Here's the number. You can add the number here. You can make it as a counter by click on yes. Now here you can add title. I will add lines. Now go to design. Here is the number alignment. I will make it center. Now here is the background color. I will give it a yellow background. Now collapse this section and go to number text. Now change the font of this number text. Make it bold. Change its color and then change its size. Now collapse this section and go to title text. Change its alignment to center. Now change its font to ABL. Make it bold. Change its color and increase the size. Now click on the tick button. Now I will add two more boxes like this. For this, click on this column and then click on this plus button. Now you have added two more columns. Now click on this module and then duplicate it 2 times. Drag the second module to the second column and third module to the third column. Now edit the second column, second module. Click on this gear button. Change the number. I will add 700. Now change title. I will add projects. Now go to design. Here I will change the background color to green and number text color to white. Now click on this tick button and edit the third one. Now I will add 5 plus and title as rating. Now go to design, go to numbers, change the background color to red and text color to white. Now click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and save the post. Now you have successfully updated the post. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added number boxes in your WordPress blog. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.